Hello, and a warm welcome to you. I hope you're ready for this lesson. This is Mr. Tenga, and this is a continuation to our video edition on sequences and series. In this specific video, we're going to be looking at combined sequences. Without any waste of time, let's get straight to it. The first three terms of the sequence 6, x, y, 27 form an arithmetic sequence. And the last three form a geometric sequence. So the first three are arithmetic, the last three are geometric. You can see I've underlined in green the first three representing the arithmetic, the last three representing geometric in orange. Question number 1. Determine x and y. We want to find the values of x and y. So I'm going to look at the AP part, the arithmetic progression part first. And I'm going to say my common difference from that sequence of 6x and y will be t2 minus t1, which is the same as t3 minus t2. In other words, d in this case would be x minus 6 is equals to y minus x. Then I decide to group my like terms and make y the subject of the formula. So I'm going to get 2x minus 6 is equals to y, forming my first equation. Then I'll move on to the geometric part made up of the last three terms. The last three terms which are x, y, and 27. Because it's geometric, we need to find the common ratio through saying T2, which is y over x is equals to 27 over y. From here on, we're going to cross multiply. So cross multiplying, we're going to get y squared is equals to 27x, forming our second equation. Thereafter, I'm going to say equation 1 substituted into the second equation. By so doing, we're going to get 2x minus 6 squared is equals to 27x. Then we need to remove the brackets on the left-hand side, leading to 4x squared minus 24x plus 36 is equals to 27x. From there on, it's a quadratic equation, but we need to standardize it, so we need to take the 27x to the left-hand side. We're going to have 4x squared minus 51x plus 36 is equal to 0. It's now simplified. We need to factorize it to get our two factors as 4x minus 3 and the other x minus 12 is equal to 0. Solving for x, we're going to get x is equals to 3 over 4. Or x is equals to 12, making up our 2x values. So notice x could be 3 over 4 or x could be 12, depending on which one you're working with. Now, from those two x values that we've got, we need to find the corresponding y values. And again, I'm going to use my straight line, the equation of the straight line, and I'm going to sub in the first x value into 2x minus 6 is equals to y. I'll get 2 times 3/4 minus 6 is equals to y. Simplifying that, I'm going to get my y value to be negative 4,5 as the first y value. Then I need to get the second y value through subbing in the corresponding x value of 12. I'll get 2 times 12 minus 6 is equals to y. Then simplifying that, I'm just going to get my y value to be 18. So these are the two possibilities. I'm just going to write it in coordinate form to say when x is 3/4, the y value is negative 4,5. And when x is equals to 12, the corresponding y value is 18. Part B, or 3.2. We want to state the arithmetic and geometric sequence for each of the solutions. We want to state the arithmetic and the geometric sequences for each of those solutions. Right, so we're going to start with when x is equals to 12 and when y is equals to 18. Right, we're going to start with when x is equals to 12 and y is equals to 18. So to state our AP that we're going to form from that one, it will be 6, 12, and 18. For the geometric part, it would be 12, 18, and 27. Then we move on to the second part, where we're saying when x is equals to 3/4. So if x is equals to 3/4 and our y value is negative 4,5, we know that our AP, our arithmetic progression, will be made up of 6, then 3/4, And finally, we have negative 4,5 representing our y. Then for the geometric progression or geometric sequence, it will be 3/4, negative 4,5, and we have 27, making up the second geometric progression. Pretty much simple. I hope you enjoy. Look out for the next videos. Until then, goodbye.